Hello! You may know that our giant Idaho potato truck is still missing.
But no worries, because now I've got all you fine folks to help me find it.
Flying this thing shouldn't be much different than driving my tractor back home.
So buckle up and hold on. Here we go. Booyah! Woo! Oh boy! Oh! Whew. That was close. Maybe it's in DC. I'd be more nervous if I had my eyes open. Oh! I don't have a fear of flying. It's the crashing that scares me. Yow! Let's try St. Louis. Low bridge. Yikes! Hey, looks like a game today. Go Cardinals! Still no sign of our giant truck. Get ready. We're going in. Whoa! Uh-oh! Double uh-oh! I want my mommy! Mommy! Whose idea was this anyway? We're about to be a smashed hit in Hollywood. Thread the needle. Let's try our luck in Vegas. I think I see our truck. Nope, just a Wienermobile. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man! I think I'm trapped out. Wow! Oops! Here we are again in Idaho. Doggone it, I just can't find that truck anywhere. That's the end of the line for today, but thanks for helping me out.
Do me a favor and keep your eyes peeled, will you? It's got to be out there somewhere. Have a great time at PMA. We'll see you later, Tater.